Hello, everybody, and thank you as always to be a part of this channel. And it's my great privilege and my honor to have all of you here with me on this panel because this platform joins with so many other platforms which care equally for animals and are fighting vociferously, if not personally, then here on the net to get attention on the voiceless, on animals that cannot speak for themselves, who suffer every day multiple atrocities. I want to share first this good news that all of you must already be aware of, that the felling of the trees in Ganchiboli forest has stopped. And I don't know how people like Revant Reddy sleep at night knowing that this is the kind of disaster that they are causing, and how can they have been so oblivious to the animals and the various species living in that area. And I honestly don't wish him well for having done what he did, knowing fully well the devastation he will be causing to that forest. And I really uphold the sanstha's of this country, like Supreme Court and all, who have put a stay on the felling of those trees. And I don't know by now how many animals must have already suffered, and there must be so many shelters working day and night to ensure the well-being of those animals. And I want to thank those animal shelters. I urge all of y'all in and around Hyderabad city to come forward and look at the distress which has been caused by the felling of these trees. And it's thanks to this Instagram family which has gone completely nuts and had made the whole issue viral. But this is not the end of the story. There is a forest called Hasdev Forest, which is in MP, which is going through the same thing, but there are not enough noisy, crazy people who are getting together to help that issue. So please put your strength behind the cause of Hasdev Forest. And I have one good news to share to you as well. You must have seen the video of the golden retriever, the pet dog of the man who was trying to board him on the train, and the dog fell through the side rails. He is fine. From whatever I know through my rescue groups, he's totally fine. But of course, this kind of irresponsible behavior has to stop. And pet owners, please don't people who want to buy pets because they look cute and then you get fed up and then you give it to somebody else, please don't do that. A lot of people take things from people, especially if they're for free, and then abandon these dogs and breed. The breeders are the worst worms of this planet, who are horrible human beings, who for the sake of money are breeding dogs left, right and center. And if they overbreed them, the dog is not right, they kill them, god knows what they do. And because you are paying top dollar for those dogs, indies, all these other dogs get neglected. And these dogs, because they're a status symbol, they are taken, but many times they're given as a gift, as a toy to the family, and either they don't have the financial capability of looking after that dog, or they are just careless. So I would urge people to be really watchful. If you see somebody who's abusing a dog, report it to your local NGO, put it on Instagram. And I thank the Instagram family for being so alert and vigilant. All the sanstha's and the shelters which put the stories, share the stories, find the culprits, the rescuers, and this whole team of people who come together to make sure this happens. This is the time to get even more vocal, even more vociferous, and be compassionate to animals. Talk about sustainability, talk about living a more sustainable life. Let's all get together and understand our strength and become pressure groups to make governments responsible, environmentally conscious, and do the right thing. Stay connected with me on this channel. Thank you for joining, and I will put you on. I'll keep sharing and keep telling you more things, and please join me and support me. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Maharashtra.